What can I do to stand out from the other equally qualified job applicants? Well, first, apply for jobs for which you are uniquely qualified. With computers making the decisions regarding which applicants will be screened, do not waste your time unless you match with at least 90 to 95% of the selection criteria and relevant experience too. Sell yourself. Be compelling. Most applicants do not sell themselves. Many times, the successful applicant is the one who shoots themselves in the foot the least number of times. 3, ramp up your interviewing skills. Most applicants struggle with the interview process. You must be better than everyone else. 4, connect with the employer. Use video emails and video thank you notes. Research shows video is a powerful differentiator and a great tool to build a relationship. And 5, I can help you stand out in the crowd. Visit me at johngself.com.